All right. All right. Good morning, guys. We're out here at a friend's house. We're going to be doing a little septic leach line project. We hope. We're going to see if we can dig up these old leach lines and replace them. But James has already dug a bunch of this by hand. You can see it's pretty deep down here. And it became apparent pretty quickly this was going to be a miserable job digging up by hand. So we're going to get this set up and see what we can do here. Hopefully we're going to have good luck and we won't break anything important. You can see the gas line right here, that green one. The first guys that were here that just dug a little bit, they broke that PVC pipe and they just missed that gas line by the grace of God. So we're going to try and do our best to miss that too. So all right, we're going to get started on this. Alrighty guys, so here's what we're dealing with right now. We've hit the leach field, the old one, part of it. We've still got to dig out part that under that gas line. Maybe we have decided on a little bit of a new plan. The pipe is over to the side at the bottom of the trench there, over on the right hand side. So we were just actually kind of going along beside it. We weren't quite following the straight line of it, and that was not intentional. That was purely an accident. But the ground is really, really wet down there. So we're thinking, after consulting with a couple of other people, and actually we've got somebody that knows septics real well is going to come by and take a look at this, but we're thinking we need to start a new trench. So what we're going to do, we're going to come off over here where the T-box is and come off of that a little bit over this direction, and then we're going to go back over here and start a new trench out this way and possibly put in a whole new leach field. So that's what we're going to do next. All right, guys, we're gonna run out of light here soon, so I'm gonna finish this video up. We're not done with this project, but we've got the one new line in over here. It's all covered with gravel. Got a little bit of gravel underneath it. We're gonna fill this big hole up on this end with gravel too, so it has a kind of a sump to go into. The other side that's open, that's all wet, we're gonna leave that open, and hopefully it's gonna dry out over the next several days. That'll help a little bit before he puts a new pipe in that side and more gravel and stuff. So this trench over here, it's probably 12 to 15 feet over to this big end where the hole is. Man, this was hard freaking ground. Hard packed clay with rocks in it. It took a long time just to dig that one trench and then open up this end over here. I was still very impressed with the little mini excavator. It still did a good job, and it was 1,000 times better than having to do it by hand with digging bars and shovels. But it still was slow going through some of this ground here. And we're about 3.5, 4 feet deep in the trenches. You can see where James is. He's up a little deeper than his waist over there, pumping out some of this water, letting that thing, trying to let it dry out a little bit so we can get the bottom shoveled out to have the right slope in the pipe. So anyway, guys, we're gonna wrap this up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and if you did enjoy it, please hit the like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep them coming. We've got more videos with the little mini excavator coming up. So you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and I will catch you later.